Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened in history on September 5? So some interesting things are there, and before that some students asked me like they saw the episode for the first time yesterday and they asked like 365 days are there, how will I remember each and every day? You don't have to remember each and every day with the date and all, even though questions are coming like you see on screen. 2023 they asked like National Handloom Day is on which day. Not only that, they even asked like, is it because of that is it because that Swadeshi movement happened on that day? Meaning Swadeshi movement is on 7th August, National Handloom Day is on 7th August, both are related. That level question came in 2023. The toughness of prelims is very, very high. So one or two questions will come which is date specific also. You cannot remember everything, but at least when you watch it every day, I teach you the historical part of it, the stories you will know. So maybe seeing the options, you will feel, okay, this is wrong. It is never in August, it's never in September. Something like that, at least a connection it will come. That is why daily you have to watch this. Okay, and don't think it's only one time. 2021 also the question came, 21st February is declared to be the International Mother Language Day by UNICEF. So this is not even Indian. So these kind of things UPSC is trying each year, and the number of questions will go higher and higher only. They are not going to reduce it. The usual questions, right, which comes like this missile or something like Astra Dharini. Okay, 2016 question, Astra Dharini in news is what? And they put like missile, torpedo launcher, helicopter, tank, like that they give options. Okay, or this report is published by whom? And then they'll give World Bank, World Economic Forum. These questions are all gone. Last 4 or 5 years, these questions are not coming. They are asking very difficult GK level. These things, sports, then awards like very, very difficult Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Award and all, which you will never study and go. Okay, even the basic one, Bharat Ratna or Dronacharya Award and all, you study also. The detailing of each award you will not study, and who got the first award, who got the latest award. This is all SSC level GK. So questions are coming, and you cannot sit and by heart all the yearbook and all. You have to simply watch these videos like this daily, and slowly things will get registered, and in the exam hall you can eliminate little bit of things and get to the answer. Okay, so the purpose of this video series is not to teach you dates, it is to teach you the stories. Okay, so today we have already done 2 videos, and both are very, very important. One is One Nation, One Election, which is a thing going to be announced on September 18, and it will be a big debate also that time in India. So that full thing, its pros, its cons, its legal challenges, its conclusion, introduction, a mains answer how you should write, including 2017's one mains question, everything is shown in that video. Please watch it. And second video, today Vikram lander achieved something which nobody else achieved. Okay, it in the moon itself, it started its engine and it lifted little bit and then moved little bit and then again landed, soft landed. So second soft landing we did. Okay, one time we launched from Earth and second time we launched from the moon itself. So that's a very big thing. Before this only NASA has done this. So that reason, that 2 videos are very, very important. You can watch that. Okay, now this, if you see, lot of groupings we teach you, like SARC is there and SCO is there, Quad is there, BRICS is there. So like that same, there is one Benelux group. Okay, Benelux economic and political group between Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg. The shape you can see, that 3 together. The flags are also individually. I have shown the flags above me. You can see that red, white, blue is one color, one country, then black, yellow and blue is another, and then again red, white, blue. So the common 4 colors they took and they made a new flag. If you see this, the dragon kind of thing, that's a new flag which they made for them, the Benelux group. Okay, it's actually a political, they had some issues and all with London and all those days in the very olden days. So that time they made a group. So why I am telling is today September 5 was the day when this was formed. Okay, so Benelux is a new learning for you. Like this I teach you theory, not the date. Date is not important. Okay, Belgium, Luxembourg, Netherlands. Because this came today, I taught you. Else these things and all never comes in news. But sometimes UPSC will still pick and ask a match the following or something from this. Okay, so there is a bordering North Sea, there is a bordering France, like that basic things try to remember in your this thing, okay, in your mind. So September 5, another thing is it is International Day of Charity, and India, you know, it is in Teachers Day. Okay, the second president of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, his birthday, and because he himself was a teacher, a philosopher, social personality, and he used to be interacting with students and all, so that is why it is Teachers Day today. And I also got a lot of Teachers Day wishes. Actually the number of wishes we get, okay, that is exceeding more than 1000 in few hours. Okay, in WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube, if I combine, it is more than 1000 this thing, but the views of these videos are very less. So I recommend you that those things we appreciate, we like all these things, but more than that we want you to watch these videos, clear the exam, and then give your feedback during that time, like instead of happy teachers day, if I get like I passed prelims, I passed mains, we'll be even more happy. Okay, so I'm not telling anything bad about that, but that also should come. Make sure that this also comes. Okay, end of the year you should all clear the exam. So that is why stay in touch every day, watch all the videos, because everything is exam oriented. Okay, now Benelux, I told, Benelux was founded when the governments of the three countries, Belgium, Netherlands and Luxembourg, signed a customs union agreement which came into effect on January 1948. Okay, so a series of agreements were signed, and it keeps on going. Okay, in their Hague is in Netherlands. So now September 5, 1972 is a very shocking thing. Usually we'll hear terrorist attacks and things and all, but terrorist attack in an Olympics event, okay, Olympics event, that is a Palestinian militant organizations which is called Black September. They attacked and killed 2 members of the Israeli Olympic team, okay, and took 9 others hostage. So total 9, I think they also later I think died. So it is a very shocking and sad event which happened in a sports event. A terrorist attack happens and players dying. So this happened on September 5, 1972. Okay, and then Mother Teresa, you know, Yugoslavian born, but then she served in India for the poor and everything. So she died at the age of 87 in Kolkata, India, on this date, September 5, 1997. Okay. So these were the informations for today, and I will come up with the next one. So make sure you watch all the important videos and also enroll to the test series if required. Our editorials and current affair packs will suffice for all the government jobs or any exam where current affairs is there in India. Our materials which are in these packages and which are the daily free editorials will suffice. Okay. Combo packs are there, which are the bestseller packs, and students prefer the pack 2 and pack 3. This is what they mostly prefer. So come and WhatsApp me, and then we can do the enrollment process. Okay, and many more things are going to be announced on Gandhi Jayanti. You can wait for that. And so these are the links. Please watch it and tell me in comment section your feedback. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.